Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Inazuma glider. This guide will walk you through all the necessary steps to unlock the beautiful wings of the Storm Strider. We'll cover everything from initial requirements to maximizing your reputation points. By the end, you'll have a clear path to soaring through Teyvat with this elegant, region-specific accessory. Let's dive in and get you flying. Before you can earn the Inazuma glider, you must first unlock the region's reputation system. This requires reaching Adventure Rank 25. Additionally, you need to complete a specific part of the Archon Quest storyline, specifically Chapter 2, Act 1. After finishing a flower blooms in a prison, you can then undertake the commission's commission to officially unlock the Inazuma reputation board. These are crucial foundational steps. Once the reputation system is active, focus on earning points to reach level 10. The primary way is by completing world quests throughout Inazuma, which offer substantial experience. Don't forget to tackle the 3 weekly bounties and 3 weekly requests available at the reputation board. These refresh regularly and are vital for consistent progress. Exploring the islands also uncovers hidden quests, further contributing to your reputation. After diligently completing quests, bounties, and requests, you will eventually reach reputation level 10 in Inazuma. Once you hit this milestone, simply return to Madaram, the Inazuma reputation coordinator. She will have the magnificent wings of the Storm Strider waiting for you as a well-deserved reward. Equip this elegant purple glider and showcase your dedication to the Electro Archon as you glide across Teyvat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.